Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Google account language back to English. So if your Google somehow switched to language you can't read, this is how to get it back to English. And the good news is you don't have to go through the menus, you can just use this simple URL. I'm gonna leave this in the description, you can copy it and you can just go to your URL in your browser, paste it in myaccount.google.com/language. Press enter. Just make sure you are signed into the account where you are changing the language. You will see your current language, which is this one. Next to it, you should see this pencil. So you want to click on this pencil icon to change this. Here, type English, select it. Now you want to choose a country. So what I can do is, for example, use United States English. It's right here. I'm going to select it, click on Save. And now your account is in English. Now after you change this, you want to close and reopen your browser for the changes to fully apply across Gmail, Drive and everything else. And if it's still not working, you can just go to your profile. And what I found to be working for me is to sign out and then sign in back. And then it was changed the language to English. So that was working for me. You can just try to refresh the browser. If that doesn't work, you can try to sign out and sign in back. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.